Hey folks, we're out in the plant today working on a little folding job. This is a mailer for a client. So we're taking a full sheet, 11 by 17, it's a flyer brochure. We're coming down in here, we're folding it in half, and then we're coming down folding it in half again. And I know you've seen stuff like this comes in the mail, but this will be going over to out in the mail. We'll inkjet it and do all that. But it's a little bit different. This one here actually has had a little perforation placed into the sheet so this piece can get torn off and mailed back in. So, you know, we're working on folding, mailing, print, things that we do every day at Steel Creek Printing and Design, more than a printing company.